Hello everyone, it's Monica and welcome to my channel. Today I'm not going to show you any step-by-step cards, but I will show you something I bought for myself. It's a card kit which I got from this lady from Facebook. She lives back home. She's a Polish lady which makes amazing cards, albums, lots of different things. So I thought this year I would like to buy something and create something for myself. So that's why I ordered this card kit. And I made 4 cards and she shows step by step how to make them. So there is no worries that you will not be able to follow it. The thing is that she speaks Polish, but it's very easy to follow her, what she shows, how to do things. So this is the first card. All the cards from this kit were based on a craft basis, and they've got really quite dark colors. I wasn't sure if I will like it, but I had extremely a lot of fun creating them. This one is a square one with a lot of multiple layers. There is some chipboard, some lace, some cheesecloth underneath, lots of flowers, and those and that frame and leaves are made of this soft clay. She sends everything. What I needed to do is just to color it, which she also included in the kit. This is liquid watercolor in that deep blue color. So she showed the day before how to color all those elements and how to make the paperMona flowers, how to color them, what kind of colors to use. You could keep the color of the paperMona as it is, but I added some color, but that was my own way of creating it. And lots of chipboards and how to do the splatters. Everything she showed how to do it step by step. Also, she showed how to make those 2 slimline cards. This one has again multiple layers with a lot of chipboards. Everything was included in the kit except of those metal beads eyelets. Yes, I added that myself. Even the string, it was included. So this is again quite big card. Okay, the second slimline card has this fantastic way of adding details. It's a wire covered with paper, and then we had to gesso it to keep it nice and white, and then we glued with a hot glue gun. We glued those leaves, which were again included in the kit, and with this beautiful butterfly. Lots of layers. It's a very thick, quite heavy card. Lots of beautiful layers. And again, this is a heart shape. It's not a card, it's more like a tag, because it's based on this chipboard, again included in the kit. And then we had to draw the heart around it, and again with few layers, tags, beautiful heart made of the soft clay that was sent already in that shape. We didn't have to do it. And those beautiful vintage ribbons. Okay, so I've done those 4 cards. She shows everything how to do it step by step, and then I still have a lot of things left over from that kit, which I really want to show you because this is amazing. You get a kit and you think that you will use all the products, but it's not the case with her. She sent those little bits and pieces in this beautiful handmade paper bag. Look at that. Heat embossing. Create really beautiful way of sending products. More string left over. A bit of ribbon still. Look at that. Easily for 2 more cards. Some cheesecloth. This is still enough for at least 3 cards. A little bit of that beautiful lace. Look at that. Is it a lace? Yeah. And then those beautiful chipboards, still a lot. I can't even hold it. Look at those, and few more. This is really a lot. Some sequins, I hope I pronounced it correctly. I didn't use them all on those cards because I wasn't sure if I want them on it. Just a lot of too much glitter maybe for me. A bit more glitter. And that paint I showed you before, this is still a lot of liquid watercolor paint. I just used a little bit because it's a really deep, rich color. More stamens. And lots, I think I've got a lot of papers, and they had a full set of papers included with a sheet of tags and small elements. Look at those. This is still a lot. She also sent those little cute leaves stamped on watercolor paper, which we could use, but I haven't used those, so I still got them for another projects. And this is like a massive mounting of pre-cut elements, fussy cutted elements, which I pre-cut myself. It was a full sheet of beautiful leaves, flowers, beautiful elements, all those little bits and pieces from the same collection, because we got the full collection with extra sheets to cut out. A sheet of sentiments, which I still haven't picked which one I want to use, because I don't know which cards I'm going to keep. I definitely keep two, which are my favorite. This one with this wire and the heart, which I'm going to pick a sentiment and put it across the heart over here, and I will just hang it somewhere in my craft corner. So that's still I've got to use. And 3 full sheets of paper which I haven't used. The paper collection is from Craft O'Clock, and it's called Lovely When You Smile. This is a paper collection from Poland, designed and printed back home with these beautiful colors. I wasn't sure about these dark colors, but when I finished those cards, I just fell in love with this collection. I think this paper, I just saved it because I just couldn't cut it into pieces. So I think I'm going to keep it for a while, and then maybe I will create some more. So 3 full sheets of paper and a half. That's another one. And I still had few bits and pieces which I kept just in case if I want to create the same kind of cards with multiple fantastic layers with so many details. And also let me just grab that, put the cards here. And also she sent 2 boxes, which I haven't put them together, with a window for those 2 slimline cards. So there are deep boxes, I think about let me just see what is the measurement. Yeah, 1.5 inch deep, so perfect for those very intricate thicker cards. So I hope you like this my gift to myself. I'm going to link everything below so you can see on her page what kind of online classes she's having. She's going to do a new one soon for Easter with beautiful light green, yellows, beautiful colors. So please check that link below the video and have a look. Maybe you will like something else. She does albums, so many beautiful things. So I hope you like this, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.